Okay, if we were in our classroom in the mornings, I would get on and on our smart board, we would go to newson6.com because they do a daily weather thing. So I've already done that, gone to newson6.com, and I found out that I can click right up here where the weather is. And my internet's a little slow, but it will load up and it will say weather forecast. That was my husband that you heard yawning in the background. We are all home today, working from home. Okay, so right here, I've already entered where it says Grove, Oklahoma, and it gives the weather forecast for us. So it has boys and girls Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and what the weatherman has predicted for each day. So today they've predicted it's going to be 50 degrees, and tonight it will get down to 31. Tomorrow it will get up to 49, and tomorrow night 34. And I'm going to let your parents talk to you about the rest of the days. Now, it is a prediction, so it doesn't mean necessarily that it will happen, but it is something to look for. So today you might have your parents check every once in a while to see what the temperature is and see if the weatherman got it right. Like I said, it's a prediction, so it doesn't mean they always get it right, but they get pretty close. All right, so we're going to go down, and then I'm going to push this button where it says today's weather video. And I might pause it.
Good grammar and spelling
hang on, it's a commercial.
Important.
We know about those.
To write essays that
we're going to skip the commercial.
Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crow.
And I'm going to make it
bigger. Clouds this morning, maybe a little sunbreak or two at midday. Blustery weather, strong north winds now. Winds will come down a little bit through the middle part of the day. So let's get you out through at least the middle here. 43, 44 by 11, 45 at noon. 45 at noon, north breeze at 15. And then by 1 o'clock at 46, we're headed today close to 50. We're going to call it back to winter. Blustery this morning, and then...
Hang on. For some reason, his video's not playing correctly. Start
winds
it again.
Coming down a little
there
bit,
he is.
Winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, on the big timeline, overnight, early tomorrow, some light shower activity is a possibility. It may be mixed in occasionally with some snow showers or flurries, no big issue. Then Wednesday, sunshine, it gets a little better. Thursday, warming up slightly. And then another front Thursday night into Friday. We have a chance for showers and storms, mostly across the far northern areas. And again, this does not look like any kind of strong or severe storm for us. We get into Saturday and Sunday, the moisture is trying to return. We have a storm system nearby. We do have a chance for some shower and thunderstorm activity once we get into Saturday night or Sunday. And right now, the higher chances for any kind of strong to severe weather probably ends up just a little bit to the south of us. You take a look here at the big picture. We have some snow showers that are pushing out of eastern New Mexico and West Texas. That will continue across the high plains, but then once it moves into western Oklahoma, a lot of that is not going to reach the surface. That's our front. That's the one that powerhoused through the area yesterday, and it is still marching steadily through the East Coast this morning. All of those, you see all those counties that are highlighted there in green, those are tornado watches that are underway, and a number of...
Okay, I'm going to pause him right there in the middle of his talk. But do you notice that this looks like our map that we see of the United States? And do you see Oklahoma? We talked about what Oklahoma looks like. And we know that we are up here in this part of the state, northeast Oklahoma. And you can see right here it says Tulsa. Okay, so I'm going to play him some more. I just wanted to point that out to you.
Storms embedded in that line, even right now, are producing tornado warnings. It's 37, north breeze at 17, and we have a low dew point. So the temperatures will try to come down a little bit more in the next several hours. We have wind chills this morning in the 20s, so it feels like 27 in Tulsa. We do have one or two spots right now, currently right at or slightly above freezing.
Oh, look, boys and girls. Do you see where his hand is? Where it says, where it has the GR? That's where we are. That's at Grove. So he's going to be talking about us. This is where we live. And you see the number has the 3 in the front, 32. Let's play him some more.
If the clouds will thin just a little bit, and that process is underway now, and the winds diminish slightly, some of these numbers will briefly hit freezing before sunrise. And Tulsa, we might be close to that, but even if we do see that, it won't be a huge issue for us. Overnight, early tomorrow, a probability from Tulsa to the south of light shower activity, but it may mix with some snow flurries at times because the air is just going to be cold enough for that to happen. High temperatures today, upper 40s, some folks near 50, mostly cloudy, a sunbreak or two. Early tomorrow morning, again, this is going to be mostly light shower activity, but with temperatures tomorrow morning in the lower to mid 30s and the upper part of the atmosphere very cold. Some of that could also mix with some light snow shower activity. It's not going to be anything significant, but there would be a possibility. Then highs tomorrow, upper 40s and lower 50s. We get into our next system Thursday night and early Friday, an opportunity for showers and maybe some thunder, and then Saturday night into early Sunday. And the temperatures are starting to climb at this point. So it's back to winter today. Kind of chilly, 49 north wind at 15. Winds are pretty brisk this morning, but they'll come down. Overnight, early tomorrow, again, mostly light shower activity, but it could mix in with some flurries overnight. High tomorrow, 49. And then we're back Wednesday to near freezing, 32, 33. Wednesday afternoon, 63.
Okay, so this is called the 7-day planner. So he's predicting what's going to happen in the next 7 days. So let's count and be sure there are 7 days here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these 7 days can change. It depends on what all happens and how fast the clouds and the storms move. But this is his prediction for what is going to happen this week in our weather.
Into Thursday, 67. Late Thursday night and Friday morning. This is another front, a few showers and storms. Kind of a one-day cool down on Friday and then bumping right back up into the 60s into the weekend.
All right. I'm going to stop it now, but this would be something that we would do every day in our classroom to see what the weatherman says. Notice that he's got percentages on here. This is what he thinks might happen. So there's a 30% chance for rain. There's a 40% chance for rain. And then these numbers can get bigger or they can get smaller depending on what happens. These numbers across the top are how hot it's going to get or cool in the mornings or during the day, and the numbers on the bottom are how cold it's going to get at night. This week is a little different because it's not going to be quite as warm, but remember it's spring and the weather is trying to change from cold winter time to some warmer temperatures so our plants and grass and trees and all of that can start to grow. All right, I'm going to get our book ready for our weather. Have a good day, boys and girls.